Hey guys, I'm doing this with my iPhone here, but that's what I'm using as a camera. I guess it's fine. It's the iPhone 8 Plus. It's an older phone, but it'll work. I plan on showing you this here. I got a cold air intake here that I had put in. It's K&N Cold Air Intake. This is the location where your mass airflow sensor goes. And then you got your hose that leads to the air box back over there. And what I plan on doing is a cold start, fresh cold start for the day. Let you hear how this works. Just noticed this. I wonder what that was for. Nothing down there broke. Fell off, did it? I'm not sure if something fell off there or not, but it's still intact. I've had this on for about 4 days now. It's a nice size system. But what I plan on doing is starting it up as a remote start, showing you, listen to how it sounds now. I got the cold air intake. I also got a X-pipe underneath. See if I can show you that either this way or from the bottom. Back, I mean. Let's see, where's it at? The X-pipe's right there. From all the way up here, it's all default stuff. I found out these here are Cadillac, are converters to post-cats. I thought they were resonators, but the exhaust guy said that those are the post-cats, and then you got the pre-cats up there, up underneath there. I got your X-pipe, and then I got my two mufflers back there, which are cherry bomb salutes. I'll go around to the back side, let you look at them. Here's the tailpipe again. It's a bit dirty, of course. You see that, how the setup is, cherry bomb. I like how they got them labeled. It looks nice. That's my exhaust setup, and then you got the cold air intake. I gotta take off for a little bit, go somewhere, but I plan on doing a remote start like I said. You gonna do it that time? We're gonna have to hold it longer. What the hell? That's strange. That's strange how the remote start's not working. What? Alright, maybe it has to do with something that I just did with OnStar, but that's not supposed to shut off, which makes no sense. Unless it has to do with the, let me try closing this and see if that is. These new electronic things, I'm not exactly sure what does what. So let's see, try it like that. The car just did lock itself. It was because the hood was up. That's a nice feature. If the hood's open, you can't unlock it, you can't turn it on. This is a fresh cold start, There it goes, dies down there. And that's what it sounds like normally. That's nice. Yeah, that X-pipe does well. So that's a new feature I didn't know about. The car was on, but it wasn't on. And I just lifted the hood. That's a unique feature. So you can't steal it like as a security safety. And it says hood open there. That's cool though. I like that. Shit, there's features in here I didn't know about. Not used to either. Being a modern luxury. So there you go, guys. There's something if you didn't know. if you try to open the hood and the car's not on, as in the ignition itself, it'll shut the car off. Huh. Well, this is pretty quiet. Too bad I can't rev it from up here, but it doesn't matter. It's all electric anyways, but I would like to stay here and do it. Old school cars, but this ain't old school. So I guess it ain't no sense to even try to rev the engine and be up there to see what that sounds like. I like the way that sounds. It sucks in pretty good, the air box. That's a pretty cool feature, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to take off now. I just wanted to give you guys that sound. Of course, I got the the in-cabin one of these air filters as well. So this is a new strut I had put on. That was easy. It was only $20 or something for that. But it opens up a lot better. Before it would get stuck halfway, it would get stuck. See, it would be like that. It gets stuck just holding it. It wouldn't even go up. I had to push it up further. I just needed a new strut. Yeah, that's my 3.6 right here. I might just keep the engine like it is and just want to get the tuner and all that, because the alternative is getting this supercharged. And it's like, yeah, 100 horsepower or 150 horsepower extra would be great, but you know, it's not really needed. I'm more of the sound person. It is definitely a better pickup than what it could be, or what it used to be. It throttles a lot better response because of this cold air intake and then the X-pipe. So that's my 2013 Cadillac CTS. Beautiful car there. You hear how quiet it is now back here? That's nice and quiet. Nice and quiet back there. I'm about 4 feet away. But yep, guys, that's it right there. That's my Cadillac. It's a beautiful car. Just wanted to get that finally done. So this, I'm done with the exhaust modifications and got the cold air intake in, so that'll help out a lot too. I gotta get the windows tinted. Just have them tinted. I'm thinking about going to 25 and probably 5 in the back, and this will probably be 25 too. I don't want to be too dark, not to better see out the back. So that's it. That's my car. Appreciate you guys watching the video here. I know I'm not a great video editor and all that, but I'm just doing this for kicks, really. So send your replies, your comments, and thumb it up the video. And stay tuned for more videos just like this, or better. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.